Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to view the contents of a text file from a USB in terminal using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a USB flash drive that contains the text file that we will be working within, and we need to know how to use the command prompt so we can now start the tutorial. Let's now go all the way around to the dock. Before we do that, let's just insert the USB flash drive into the Mac computer itself. For those asking, the flash drive can have a capacity of 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, all the way to maybe a terabyte or whatever they have today. For this tutorial, we are working with a very small file, so we're not worried about the capacity of the USB. So the USB has now been connected into the Mac computer. Let's just open up the Kingston USB. Work.txt is the file that we will be working within. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, minimize Finder for the moment, go to Launchpad, search for the application, the command prompt terminal. Let's just increase the size of the terminal window. Command plus a couple of times to increase the text on screen. And so clear all the contents, CD desktop, semicolon ls. Let's now navigate to CD volumes. ls minus L, we are interested in Kingston, semicolon, ls minus L. Let's just now bring work.txt onto the screen. So the command is cat w tab enter, and there we go. All the content within the file work.txt is now viewable on screen, so we can now clear everything on screen, change directory, clear again, quit terminal, go all the way down to the dock, go back to Finder, quit Finder, go to the USB flash drive, Command E to eject, remove the flash drive from the computer. And to the rest of this video, I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.